Assalamualaikum and hi. We from Group 3 are going to present about our topic on organization of information and ISR strategies for easy access to information. I would like to introduce my teammate, which is myself, Nurul Shafiqah, Nur Nazura, Laura Izora, Nur Atika, and also Sofia Dina. This topic is going to talk about the access and organization that being used in the library, as our choice is PTA UiTM Kelantan. We're going to talk about our experience and highlight the organization that being important to access information in this library. Tengku Anis Library PTA was established in 1985 at Kijang Camp Temporary Campus, but in 1996, it was moved to the permanent campus of Bukit Ilmu. The history starts in 15 July 2008, where His Majesty the Sultan of Kelantan, Sultan Ismail Ibni Almarhum Sultan Muhammad IV, inaugurates the library and rebrand it as Tengku Anis Library PTA, in honor of Tengku Anis Ibni Almarhum Tengku Abdul Hamid, former King of Kelantan. Tengku Anis PTA is a developer of intellectual growth and academic achievement. It serves as a gateway to the new ideas, perspective, and also innovative from the new student. As we step into the library, the entrance guide by QR code scanner, which is an effective way to entry for the visitor, especially for your ITM Kelantan student. There are also a counter of return and also payment for the student to return and borrowing item and settle the fine with ease. Moving forward, there is an IT zone which is for the student to seek digital resources and technical assistance. Here, student can access online database, e-book and also multimedia resources. Meanwhile, in the referent desk, there is a staff with knowledgeable librarian ready to assist students in their requests on information sources. As we went up for the second floor, there is a syllabus station. The journal, the reference shelf is offering a wide variety of academic journal, research paper and also reference material. Next to the office, there is a counter of KBR where facilities access to achieve material and special collection of academic for the future generation. All in all, our library offers a wide variety of sources and facilities designed to support academic excellence. The library empowering students on their education journey in many effective ways. Next, we're gonna explain more about 3 keys that can be found in the Tengku Anis Library PTA.
Hi, my name is Laura. I will be explaining about organization of information. First of all, activity of bibliographic control is also known as the process of library material. It has 3 bibliographic activities in library. The first one is cataloging. We found out that PTA use Library of Congress classification for call number for each book. The second one is indexing. And the third one is bibliographies, which most of us students use APA and MLA citation for reference in our assignment. Retrieval tools. First one is search and retrieval. Second one is faceted searching and filtering. Third one is browsing and exploration. And finally, the last one is customization and personalization. There are 3 basics of retrieval tools. The first one is bibliographies, which is a complete or selective list of works compiled upon some common principle such as authorship, subject, place of publication, or a printer. The description consists of book, serial, or electronic resources. The second one is indexes, which is a systematically arranged list which indicates the contents of a document or group of documents. It can be found in printed form or machine-readable form, which is CD or ROM, or online. The last one is catalog, which is a list of materials in a library. It allows users to locate and access materials within library materials. It has 4 functions, 4 purposes, and 5 access points. I also will be explaining about how PTA organizes the material or collection. We learned that PTA offers open shelf collection for us students to use. Each book will go through a process to get a call number. The first step of the process is subject cataloging, which involves determining what subject concepts by intellectual content of a work. The second step is PTA will use Library of Congress subject heading or LCSH. The last step of the process is PTA will choose classification notation from classification scheme, which is Library of Congress classification or in short form LCC. It will provide a location for an item in a collection.
Next, I will explain about information storage and retrieval or ISR. ISR focus in finding and recovering knowledge-based information stored in databases. This retrieval system helps us to locate information within a structured set of documents. There are four elements of information retrieval. Firstly, we have information carrier, which is a container for holding and accessing data using storage devices like hard drives and CD-ROMs. Secondly, the descriptor. Descriptor are structures that arrange and handle data by storing details about the data type, format, size in bytes, location, and ID. Third, we have document address. Document address refers to document identifier utilized for the organization, retrieval, and maintenance of documents in a system. Lastly, the transmission of information. This includes transferring data through different steps like input, storage, organization, retrieval, and output. We can retrieve information by using Online Public Access Catalog or OPAC in Perpustakaan Tengku Anis. OPAC was created as a component of library automation. For your information, library automation provides automated tools for managing library's collections and usage information. We can find materials using title, author, subject, or keyword of the material. This can simplify the process of retrieving information.
So I will explain you about access to information. Um, so from the visit that we found that by increasing democratic accountability and transparency, identifying and uncovering corrupt practice, and enabling participation in the development of anti-corruption policy and law, access to information is an essential tool in the fight against corruption. First, user access review are periodic audit of who has access to what data and system in organization. These are an essential part of information security and compliance as they help prevent unauthorized and or inaccurate access. The capabilities to access information as an external users that they can boost productivity and efficiency for both users and librarians. We also know that users have the proper amount of access to the information and system they require to do their tasks quickly and efficiently by checking and updating your access policies and permission. Aside from that, we also found that storage of data is an essential to both our personal and professional life. This ability able to create and store vast amount of data and increasing rapidly. So, in a time when business primarily rely on data-driven decision-making, information storage is essential to sustain operation, boosting productivity, stimulating and creativity. Firstly, we have found the capture and encoding that information can be expressed in several ways, include text, pictures, audio, and video. The second one is organization and structure. Organizational structures are used by information storage system to enable efficient data management. As a result, this system, like file system or database, offer a framework for classifying and organizing data. They also guarantee simple retrieval
and effective use. So next one is storage medium. Storage medium is a range of real and virtual media are used in information storage to hold data. Scalability and performance. Scalability and performance are essential components of any information storage since data quantities keep growing. Storage system can handle the growing needs of growing data sets without sacrificing performance thanks to scalable storage architecture. So, lastly, we have data lifecycle. Data lifecycle is a management techniques are often incorporated into information storage system. So, these strategies which specify the handling, archiving, and final disposal of data. They also integrate storage practice with pertinent regulatory requirement and business demands, starting from the point of data generation and ending with its erasure. That's all from me. Thank you.
Relation between organizing. The task of organizing and processing digital information in a digital environment is difficult because traditional methods and tools for doing so do not always translate well to digital settings. Even so, new methods, tools, and techniques must frequently be employed for the proper organization and processing of data to provide quick and easy access to information. For instance, the libraries have been effectively organizing information resources on the shelf for millennia through two main sets of activities, which is classification and cataloging. Aside from that, information retrieval, that is, the practice of indexing information resources for computerized searching and retrieval, is more modern than cataloging and classification. However, research and studies in information retrieval have expanded more quickly. In today's world, classification, cataloging, and information retrieval are used in various environments for information organization and retrieval. The proof is, numerous related tools and techniques such as bibliographic formats, metadata standards, vocabulary control tools, and so on are also employed because of the advancements of the access to information in organization. For the conclusion, our experience is highlight the importance of organization in accessing information, impressing the role of information storage and retrieval. Furthermore, the three key components of accessing the information, organization of information, and also information storage retrieval provide the basic of effective library service. By embracing modern technology and organization strategies, the library could foster academic excellence and promoting long life learning. Our experience has been increased our belief in transformative power of education and the importance of library in facilitating the exchange of ideas and pursuit the excellence. That's all for our group. Thank you.